discuss about the compatibility. Now, what do you mean by compatible? As I have written here that the multiplication condition of the matrices, right? So you can multiply the numbers very easily, like 2 into 3, that is 6, 3 into 5, 15, right? 4 into 2, that is 8. So we know that how to multiply the numbers. But the question is, when we can multiply the matrices, or how we can multiply the matrices. So we cannot multiply all the matrices, right? There is one condition that it should be compatible. Only in that case we can multiply the matrices. And now what is the compatibility here? That is, suppose we are having two matrices A and B and we have to multiply that. So we can multiply if and only if the columns of A, that is number of columns of A, should be equal to the number of rows of B, right? So if the columns of A equal to the number of rows of B, only in that case we can say that these two matrices are compatible. Now we can multiply this, all right? So let's take an example. This is the first example. As you can see here, this is the first matrix and this one is the second matrix. Now, are they compatible or not? A very easy method, just find the order of these two matrices. So find the order of this, the first matrix, number of rows are 3 and number of column is 1 here. So the order is 3 by 1, right? Similarly, the order of this matrix is 1 by 2. Now, as you can see that these are the number of columns of the first matrix and this is the number of rows of the second matrix. Now you can see that these both are equal, right? So we can say that these are compatible and we can multiply these matrices. All right, students. So let's move to the second example, that is this one. Now we are having two matrices here. Just find the order first. So the order of this first matrix is 2 by 1 and the order of the second matrix is again 2 by 1, right? Now you can see that here number of columns of the first row, this one, the number of columns of the first row, and this is the number of rows of the second matrix. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So we cannot multiply these matrices. In that case, we can say that the multiplication of these two matrices is not defined, right? Because they are not compatible. Okay, let's move to the other examples. Again, now as you can see that we are having two matrices here. Now can we multiply this? Just find the order first. So what is the order of this first matrix? This one. The order of this matrix is 1 by 2. And what is the order of this matrix? That is 3 by 1. Yes, all right. Now tell me, are they compatible or not? The number of columns of the first matrix and these are the number of rows of the second matrix, these both are not equal. So we cannot multiply these matrices. So let's solve one more example. Check the compatibility here. Just find out the order. The order of this matrix is 1 by 3 and the order of this second matrix is 3 by 2. Now you can see that the number of columns of the first matrix, that is 3, are equal to number of rows of the second matrix. So these are compatible. We can multiply these matrices. All right. Now next thing, which is very, very important, as you can see that we are having two matrices here, right? Now are they compatible? I have found the order of these. The order of the first matrix is 2 by 2 and the order of second matrix is 2 by 3, right? And you can see that the number of column of the first matrix equal to number of rows of the second matrix, they are equal. So these are compatible. We can find AB. Now, what will be the order of the product matrix? That is this 2 and this 3. So after multiplication, the order of the matrix of the resultant matrix will be 2 by 3. This is very, very important thing. That is, First find the order, check the compatibility. Now you got to know that we can multiply these matrices. Now what will be the order after multiplication of these matrices? That is this 2 and this 3. That is 2 by 3. Now your question is, BA is compatible or not? Yes, you can give me the answer in the comment section that BA is defined or not. All right, I hope you got the point. Now we will solve one question. So let's take an example. Now we have discussed about the compatibility. Now the question is how we can multiply the matrices, right? First, as you can see that I have taken one example here. This is the matrix A and this is the matrix B. We have to find out AB. First of all, we will check the compatibility, that all are they compatible or not. As you know that how to check it, just find the order. So the order of the A matrix is 2 by 3 and the order of B matrix is 3 by 2. Now you can see that number of columns of first matrix equal to number of rows of second matrix. So they are compatible, means AB defined. And the product, the order of the product of the matrix will be this 2 and this 2. That will be the order of 2 by 2. All right. Now let's do the multiplication. Yes. Now how to multiply? Multiplication is very easy. That is, as you can see that the number of rows are 2, right, in the first matrix and number of columns are 2 in the second matrix. So we will multiply the first row with every column of the second matrix. Right? First we will multiply the first row with every column, then the second row with every column. Now the question is how we will multiply it. As you can see that I have highlighted the entries in the same color. So first we will multiply the first row with the first column. How? The first entry will be multiplied to the first entry of the column plus second entry with the second entry plus the third entry with the third entry of this column, right? And what will be the place in the resultant matrix? The place in the resultant matrix, that will be first row, first column. As you can see that I have taken here 2 by 2 matrix, as we know that the resultant matrix will be of order 2 by 2. So I have taken 2 by 2 order here. So what will be the place after applying the operation here? That is first row with first column, and the entry will be in first row and first column. So let's do the multiplication. Yes. All right. So this is 1 into 2. So the first entry, that is 1. And the first entry of the column, that is 2. Right? Similarly, minus 2 into 4. That is minus 2 into 4. Similarly, the third entry, 3 into 2. Now just do the calculations. 1 into 2, that is 2. Plus minus 2 into 4, that is minus 8. Plus 3 into 2, that is 6. Now what will be the answer here? 2 plus 6, 8. 8 minus 8, that is 0. So now we got the first entry. Similarly, in the next, first row with second column. Yes, and in the resultant matrix, the entry will be at the place, that is first row, second column. Now you can see that this is the first row and this is second column. So the entry will be at this place. And with the same procedure, first entry will be multiplied to the first entry of the column. So 1 into 3 plus second entry, that is minus 2 into 5, and the third entry 3 into 1. Now just do the calculations. 1 into 3, that is 3, minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10, and 3 into 1, that is 3. Now what will be the answer here? That is 3 plus 3, 6, and 6 minus 10, that is minus 4. All right. Now with the same procedure, now we are done with the first row with all the columns. Now let's move to the next row, that is the second row, right? Now the second row with the first column and the place in the resultant matrix will be second row, first column. Now as you can see here, just do the multiplication. So minus 4 into 2, and after that 2 into 4, and then 5 into 2. Just do the calculations here. Minus 4 into 2, minus 8, 2 into 4, 8, and 5 into 2, 10. And at this place it will be 10. Now with the last, that is second row with second column, do the same procedure. So minus 4 into 3, and after that second entry with the second entry of the column, that is 2 into 5, and the last one is 5 into 1. Yes, minus 4 into 3, minus 12, 5 into 2, that is 10, 5 into 1, that is 5. Now this is minus 12 plus 15, that is 3. All right, now as you can see that we got the answer after multiplication of these two matrices, and as you can see that this is of order 2 by 2. So I hope you got this, how to multiply the matrices, right? As we recall it, that is, if we are having two matrices A and B, just find out the order first and then check the compatibility. That is, the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, right? If they are equal, only then we can say that they are compatible. And what will be the order of the resultant matrix, that is after multiplication? That will be the order of this 2 and this 2, that is 2 by 2. So thank you so much. I hope you got this topic, that is when we can multiply and how we can multiply the matrices.